Hi, dear viewers. Welcome back to God's Mission channel. Today, we are going to talk about new things and learn a lot of things from Vijaya. So, Vijaya, welcome to the show once again.
Thank you so much, Neha, for inviting me once again. And I like to talk to you, okay, as usual. And please go ahead.
Okay, Vijaya. So, today, I want to know. See, you said you had a lot of struggle. You didn't know what was happening at your end. You didn't know how to express things to people, right, in your previous video. When all these situations were going on, didn't you get the thought and idea that I should go and meet, men of God and people who pray? There'll be like so many people, right, who pray and they'll be able to help. There are so many gifted people, right? Like with God's gifts. They will be able to interpret your situation and all that, right? So didn't you approach them, Vijaya?
That's good question, Neha. As I told you, from my childhood, my mother used to go to men of God, and she used to sit in prayers for hours together for anything to be revealed by them. And because she also had so many problems, but that time
Okay.
also, frankly speaking, she did not get any help. But this time also, I went to some people. It's not like that I did not approach them. I went to some people, Neha, but unfortunately, I did not get any help. What they used to tell me is that, yes, you are completely surrounded by evil spirits, and your mind is unstable, and you don't know what exactly you are, what is happening to you, nothing, complete absence of mind. All these things they used to reveal to me. And
Okay.
even I went to one woman of God where she was very famous that time. I went
Okay.
and I approached her, and she told that, oh, she's so young, but they have done a witchcraft or black magic on her. It is very terrible for her. Who has done?
o-
I don't know, but she's in that bondage. She's in that captive. Okay. But nobody told me what is the solution for this, how to come out of it, and how to get victory over this. Nobody, frankly speaking, nobody told me about this, Neha. And at one instance, I went to one young girl where she used to pray, like same thing like women of God and all that.
Okay.
When I went there, somebody took me there. Actually, I did not go for my prayers. I went for them. So as
Okay.
soon as she used to close her eyes, she used to tell to her mother, Mummy, Vijayakka is very good, but I am seeing a image from big like sky that is tormenting.
Okay.
Mummy, she is in
Okay.
very pathetic situation, very pathetic situation. And again, she used to close her eyes. And again, she tried to pray. Again, used to take my name and tell, no, mummy, how to save Vijayaka? How to save Vijayaka? She used to tell. Then finally, she told me, uh, come tomorrow, Akka, we will pray and will remove this witchcraft or black magic power. But I was very
So,
happy. Yes, Neha, I was very happy. I came back home. I was waiting for a call. Immediately after I reached home, a father called
then
up
what
and said,
happened?
yes, that's what. A father called up and said, no, Vijaya, please don't come. She is very young. The, the evil spirit which is tormenting you will torment my daughter. So please
Oh,
hereafter don't come to her.
oh, that's really sad.
Yes. And again, Neha, even when I used to stand in the bus stops or waiting for the buses and all that, that orange-clad people used to come and tell, Amma, you're in very difficult situation. You're in witchcraft, but your Jesus dad is with you. He is saving
Okay.
you. He is saving you. They used to
Okay.
say, Jesus daddy, if he just moves away from you, you will be crushed.
Oh,
You will be crushed like anything. He is with you.
okay.
So many orange clad people, they used to come and tell me that. So what I decided is that I did not get any help, Neha, from
Okay.
anybody. No solution. They used to tell you're suffering with witchcraft people, witchcraft is tormenting you. One woman of God came to when I was in friend's house. She came and she told that my friend's mother, that she's in very pathetic situation. She's in very difficult situation. I don't
Okay.
know. I don't know how she is going to come out of it.
Okay.
But no solution again there. And one more auntie
Okay.
also told that, oh, she is surrounded by terrible evil spirits. But again, she also told no, she did not tell any solution. So there was no solution at all, for me, how to come out of it. Actually, that point of time, I was not knowing what is black magic, what is witchcraft.
Okay. At that young age, obviously, nobody would understand all those things. If we confide in old people, maybe, or, elder people or someone, then at least they would give us some solution. When we ourselves are not in a situation to understand, then, it's difficult to tackle the situation. Anyway, Vijaya, thanks for sharing this such things with us and, sharing this thing, which is very valuable for all our viewers. Thank you, Vijaya.
Thank you so much, Nia, and have a heavenly kingdom life. And love you all with Jesus Dad's love. Thank you.
Okay, Vijaya. Dear viewers, you have seen how Vijaya struggled. So there are many more things coming, and she has a lot of things to tell us, and the word of God that how the Lord helped. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and bye bye.